This is a brand new 2013 Lexus ES350. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: an 8-speaker stereo system, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.